Hello everyone, Marcus here. In this video, we will discover how to plan changes to the QMS per clause 6.3 of ISO 9001:2015 standard. The standard expects that we carry out changes in a planned manner and think about the purpose of the changes and their potential consequences, the integrity of the QMS during changes, and the availability of the resources, including the allocation of responsibilities. Before we dive into it, subscribe to be the first to see our new videos. Also, if you stay to the end, I will show you a link to an FMEA matrix that we will use in this video to help us manage potential consequences and integrity of the QMS during changes as required by the standard. Let's get started. The planning is easy. We talked about some tools in our previous videos. Project plan or a Gantt chart, the action list from management and operational reviews, and others. Both these tools allowed for defining the purpose of changes, allocation of resources and responsibilities. A typical tool to assess the effects and risks of action is a failure mode and effect analysis, or FMEA process. There are dozens of various FMEA formats out there used by different industries. We will use one of them to assess the impacts and consequences of potential failure modes on a simple example. Let's say we need to write a procedure. To be successful, our procedure should be clear and easy to follow. Potential failure modes related to these requirements are too wordy and difficult to follow instead of being clear, and outdated layout instead of an easy to follow format, and others. The next step is to identify the causes of these potential disappointments. Excessive wording, most likely is lack of technical writing skills. Archaic format may be a result of the use of an outdated document template. Now it's time to talk about the consequences, or how an organization will pay for these potential failures. And the answer is simple: it's time and money. If a procedure is too long, hard to follow, and full of irrelevant information, it will take more time to train folks and more time to users to follow. To summarize, in this session, we learned that when planning changes, we have to consider consequences, and the FMEA matrix is a good tool to protect our QMS from undesirable outcomes. The following video will talk about risks associated with potential failure modes and how to reduce those risks. As I promised in the beginning, here is your link to the FMEA matrix. Go to the Academy page on our website and look for our free downloads. This is all for today, guys. Share your ways of making changes to management systems in the comments below. I would like to see your thoughts on this topic. Thanks for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. If you wish to learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.